Massey Ferguson MF 385 4-wheel drive tractors for sale. Massey Ferguson tractors are among the most reliable and economical tractors for farmers in Africa. MF 385 4-wheel drive is the most economical but still very useful tractor in Massey Ferguson Tractors family. This 85 horsepower 4-wheel drive tractor is available for sale at a discounted price. We have MF 385 4-wheel drive tractors stock for Africa and the Caribbean. We supply new and used Massey Ferguson tractors in Zimbabwe, Tanzania, Zambia, DRC, Botswana, Uganda, Kenya, Angola, Sudan, Nigeria, and Mozambique. Specifications: high-performance 4.41 diesel low-noise engine, reduces gaseous emission under ACER 49, reduced smoke level, oil cooler added for effective cooling, hydrostatic power steering, efficient oil-immersed multi-disc brake system, spring suspension deluxe seat, easy accessibility to service maintenance points.